Hello students, today I am going to share a video with you all related to percentage. Percentage is a topic which we study right from class 7 and it helps us in long run. So what actually the topic is, let me introduce the basic of it and then we will go ahead. Percentage as per name, it means in every hundred or per hundred, means out of 100 how much. When we are able to calculate, we say that this much percentage is there. So percentage means percent. It is composed of two words, percent. Cent stands for 100. So out of 100 how much it is, or in other words we say in every 100. So this is what actually the meaning of percentage. Now there are two things. One, to write as a percentage. First case is to write as a percentage. Let me take one by one. Another one is how to remove the sign of percentage. The first case, when we have to introduce or we have to express a whole natural number, a decimal number, a given ratio, all these as a percentage. Children, there is nothing in that. You simply multiply the same by 100%. Pay attention to my words. You simply multiply it by 100%. I am showing you some examples. Here I have written 3 questions for you. Express 25 as a percentage. The first one, where you have to express 25 as a percentage, you simply do multiply it by 100, not only with 100, and put there a sign of percentage. Children, actually you are making no difference. 100% when we write, it means 100 multiplied by 1 upon 100. This sign of percentage means 1 over 100. So 100 multiplied by 100, it is cancelled. So you will get the number itself. So when you multiply, you have to convert 25 to percentage. You multiply it by 100%. So it is 2500%. Second, in the second part, when you have to convert 0.007 as a percentage, you don't have to do anything, that removal of decimal and all and then cancellation. You simply multiply by 100% and it will become 0.7%. What will it become? 0.7%. Third case, when we have to convert ratio, we are given a ratio 4:5. We have to express it as a percentage. What we will do? We write it in this form, multiply by 100%. Now can you simplify? 5 ones are 5, 20. How much it is, beta? It has become 80%. So now you have seen how to convert a natural number, a decimal number, a given ratio into percentage. Now the reverse process comes. To remove the sign of percentage, to express as a number, to express as a ratio. So there what you need to do, let me show you the working. Now children, the vice versa process, reverse process, not the vice versa, reverse process. 3 questions again I have taken. Express 60% as a fraction. Now that means you have to remove the sign of percentage. So let's begin with the working. 60%. 60. To remove the sign of percentage, we multiply by 1 upon 100. Now it will be cancelled. 2 3s are 5s are. So it has come how much? 3 over 5. As a fraction, 60% is 3 over 5. Now second part. Second one is express 240% as a decimal. So 240, and to remove the sign of percentage, we write 1 over 100. We multiply by 1 over 100. Cancel 0. 24 over 10 as a decimal is 2.4. So 240% as a decimal is 2.4. Coming to third part, where we have to express this mixed fraction percentage as a ratio. So first of all, children, 6 whole 2 by 3% we write as 20 by 3%. Fine. Now to remove the sign of percentage, we multiply by 1 over 100. Cancel by 20, 1s are 5s are. By into fraction it is actually 1 over 15, that is 1 ratio 15, because we want answer in ratio. So 6 whole 2 by 3% as a ratio, it is 1 over 1 ratio 15. So this is how we put the sign of percentage and we remove the sign of percentage. Now another type, bache, evaluate 75% of 440 kg. Till now we were only either putting the sign of percentage or we were removing the sign of percentage. Now we calculate the percent for a certain given quantity. Like here we are given 440 kg. So first part, 75% of 440 kg. First of all, let me make you clear 75. To remove the sign of percentage, we multiply by 1 over 100. Of stands for multiplication and 440. Now you can easily simplify. 25 3s are 75, 4s are 100, 4 1s are and 110. So it comes how much, beta? 330 kg. How much it has come? 330 kg. It's simple to solve. Now, second part of the question is 2.5% of 350 meter. There is no problem if it is given as decimal. We do the same working. 2.5. To remove the sign of percentage, multiply by 1 over 100. Of stands for multiplication and 350. Remove decimal, increase 0. It is 40. Fine. 1. How much it is? 35 over 4 meter. That is 8 whole 3 by 4 meter. So simple. We have calculated and easy to calculate. So percentage is not a very difficult topic. Now word problem. If 14% of a certain number is 63, find the number. The number is not known to us. What we are told, that 14% of a number is. So when we don't have number, what we can do? We can let. So let the number be x. Then according to question, what do we have? 14% of x. A number means of x is equals to 63. Fine. Let's solve. 14 into 1 over 100. Of stands for multiplication is equals to 63. 2 7s are 50. 7 nines. Now children, by cross multiplication what we have got? 9 into 50. That is 450. So your answer will be, the required number is, the required number is 450, whose 14% is 63. Here is one more word problem related to percentage. The cost of a theatre ticket is increased by 40% for a special movie. That special movie can be of your favorite actor or actresses, isn't it? What is the new price if the normal price was rupees 160? So we have to find the new price. How much extra you are going to pay, or what amount actually you have to pay if you want to buy that movie ticket. So let's begin with the solution. First of all, write original or normal price of ticket, that is rupees 160. Increase percent, how much it is increased? 40%. So new price of ticket is equals to the one which you were paying earlier, that plus 40% of what you were actually paying, 40% of 160. It is equals to rupees 160 plus 40 multiplied by 1 by 100 into 160. So let's simplify. Rupees 160 and plus 64. So how much you have to pay now for that favorite actor or actress's movie? 224 rupees ultimately, whose normal price was 160. Now you have to pay 224 rupees. So this is how we can solve the questions related to percentage. It is not a very difficult topic. Wherever you find any difficulty, you write in the comment box. I am there to help you out. Please solve question, write your queries, clear your doubts, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Follow my Instagram page, Fun with Maths. Thank you everyone.